Prepositions of place are used when describing the location of something or someone. The preposition of place next to, where is the chair? The chair is next to the green table. Where is John? He is standing next to the big bottle. Where is the ball? The ball is next to the box. So those are examples of how to use the preposition of place next to. Next, in front of. The table is in front of the chair. He is in front of the computer. Behind. The chair is behind the table. I am standing behind the computer. What about between? Where is the table? The table is between the two chairs. I am standing between Joe and Don. The dog is standing between the two boxes. The purple book is among the pile of books. Above. The whale's tail can be seen above the water. The house is above the ground. On. The dog is on the box. The ball is on the box. In. The dog is sitting in the box and the ball is in the box. Other ways to use the prepositions of place: at, in, and on. So do we say at the school or in the school? Both are correct. She just arrived at her school. Now she is in school. She's inside the school. At the bank or in the bank? She works at the People's Bank. She is in the bank. At and in. I just arrived at my school. Now he's in school. I am in school. I am in my classroom. So do you say in bed or on the bed? The man is sitting on his bed. He is in bed relaxing. At the house or in the house? I just arrived at the house. Should I go in? So she's around the house. Now she's in the house. I am in the house. The dog is under the box. Which is the correct one? Among, between, or in? Where is the dog? He's between the two boxes. Which one is the correct one? Next to, between, or on? Where is the dog? The dog is next to the box. The squirrel is under the tree. Choose the correct option. The car wash is blank, the mall. The car wash is opposite the mall. Opposite the mall, the road separates the car wash from the mall, so they are opposite, in opposite directions. The cafe is blank, the barber shop. The cafe is next to the barber shop. Next to. There is a tree blank, the museum. There is a tree in front of the museum. Behind, in front of. There is a school blank, the fire station. Where is the school? The school is next to the fire station. Where is the fire station? The fire station is between the school and the park. True or false? There is a park next to the mall. Is that true or false? It is true. The park is right next to the mall. The school is opposite the gym. True or false? There is a road separating them, so it's true. The school is opposite the gym. The bookshop is between the pet shop and the car wash. True or false? It's false. The bookshop is next to the pet shop. The pet shop is between the bookshop and the car wash. Yes, it's true. Good job.